Hi everybody, welcome to Dandelion Cottage and the Sale-A-Bration Creative Burst Day 3. So I have a couple of announcements to make. I want to make some corrections just to start right off. And that is that I mistakenly told you that there were a number of things that were not available during the celebration, that we had run out. And I was only partly right. So the sheep dyes are actually back in stock. So that's really exciting. And so are the other items. The only thing that we do not have available is that glimmer paper. So if you want to learn more about what these items are, you can go to my website at dandelioncottagedesign.com and go to shop and go to my online store, and you will find a category called Sale-A-Bration. And in there will be an assortment of products that you can choose. And for every $50 or $100 order you place, you can get one of those items for free. And I will be posting all of the links and more information below. So if you have any questions, just let me know. And I'm going to show you. You can see in my previous videos, actually if you go back a day, you can see the brochure with all of the items in there. Today I want to share with you this one, and this is a pack of 12 by 12 DSP, which means Designer Series paper, and it's called Peaceful Prints. All right, and the colors that it coordinates with are basic black, cherry cobbler, garden green, real red, and Sahara sand. And there are, I think, there's 6 different designs in here, 2 each of each design, and I'm going to show you what they look like. And what I did, the project I want to share with you today is this little booklet. Okay, and so this is covered with the garden green cardstock, and it's bound with some of this real red ribbon. And inside of the book are the papers. Let me zoom you in so you can see better. So these are the papers that are included in that Peaceful Prints pack that is free if you order $50 worth of product. And so here is my website again if you want to check that out. And also I will have the links below after I do the video. So you've got this cute little reindeer and snowflake print with the buffalo plaid. And on the reverse side of the buffalo of that is the buffalo plaid by itself. Then you've got these Christmas trees. You've got a nice green pattern here. Here's a plaid image with white snowflakes on the front. And on the back is just the plaid. This is a graphic of some birch trees, which would make a really nice background for a Christmas card. Got some nice stripes on the verso. And then here are some of the garden green snowflake. And on this side, you've got more of the garden green with the spruce. Beautiful little spruce decoration. And here's an all-over print with those cute reindeer. Another plaid. And then the other side of all of the patterns that we just looked at. So I made this little booklet so that you could see all of the papers, but this would also make a very nice little booklet that you could use and put labels in here for sentiments or for notes. But what I want to do today is I want to show you how to decorate the cover. So for that, I've already cut out some dies, and let me show you what those look like. These are the poinsettia dies, and these are in the annual catalog. I know it seems a little funny talking about Christmas at the end of September, but this is a great time to get all of the supplies that you need so that you can make your own cards, so you're not waiting until the very last minute. So this, let's see, page 165, it has a stamp set that you can get that coordinates with it. And then the die set itself is on page 165. If anybody needs a catalog, let me know. And here they are. So this is a $36 die set. So if you were to get the dies plus some of the garden green cardstock or the real red cardstock and maybe some embellishments, you would then qualify to get a free pack of the Peaceful Prints Designer Series paper during Sale-A-Bration. And Sale-A-Bration is over on Thursday, so you've just got 2 more days to take advantage of this wonderful promotion. All right, so let me show you how these beautiful dies come together. I've already done all the cutting out. Let me just figure out how to open this. Here we go. And what I've done is I've used the real red cardstock and the garden green cardstock for the leaves. And then I've also cut out some of these berries using the gold foil. And then there are also these little center pieces for the poinsettias that I also cut out of the gold foil. And here are some of the berries. And I'm using my glue dots. Let me get my piercing tool out. And all I'm going to do is take a glue dot and put it, well actually before I do that, I want to give these petals a little bit of a curl. So I'm just going to curl some up, some down, because I want the flower to be 3-dimensional on the cover here. So let's just get that squared away. Oops, pulled off a petal. Be careful, they're very delicate. That's okay, I've got another one. There we go. All right, so now back to my glue dot. I'm just going to place a glue dot in the center of my largest flower, and then I'm going to offset the next one a little bit. Take another glue dot, go to my next size down, and then finally my top one, and curl those up a little bit. And In the center there, I'm going to place my gold foil accent. So there's my flower, and I've got some leaves, and I'm just going to give those a little pinch down the center. Now I'll just take the two of the larger ones and one of the small ones. And both the flower petals and the leaves have this wonderful debossing effect, so that they have this really nice texture to them, which really adds quite a lot. So if you just wanted to get the die set, that would be perfectly fine as a standalone product. You don't necessarily need to have the stamps that match, although it's really nice to have those as well, and there are some nice sentiments in there. All right, so I'm going to take a Stampin' Dimensional and put that on the back here. And let's see, where do I want this? I'll put it just like that. And I can tuck a leaf under here. And down here. And one more coming through there. And then I don't want to forget my beautiful gold berries here. So let me put a little bit of glue on there. So I'm just going to dot the berries with a tiny drop of glue. I'm not even squeezing, I'm just dabbing the nozzle down to make sure that it's just the tiniest bit. And for this, I'm going to use my tweezer. And let's see, where do I want to put these? I'll let them come down like that. Just going to lift up, tuck those underneath there, just like so. I don't think we need the red berries this time. So that's my quick and easy little project for today, featuring the Peaceful Prints Designer Series paper, okay, and the poinsettia dies. And I want to give you a special offer. I'm going to be posting a host code below, and if you purchase $100 of product or more between now and Thursday, I will give you a free tutorial on how to make this little notebook, and you'll also qualify for 2 free items from the Sale-A-Bration brochure. So you could get a couple of different packs of the Peaceful Prints or any other $50 free with a $50 purchase item that you like. So all of that information will be posted below after the video. I'll get all the links set up, and I hope you like this little project. I'll be back tomorrow for Watercolor Wednesday and day 4 of Sale-A-Bration. So I hope to see you then at 12 noon. Stay well, stay creative, and I will see you next time.